Maybe there is another way. Beyond the Hall of Heroes lies the Chamber of Bone. Eternal death awaits any who would seek to steal the treasure secured within this room. So speaks the Lord of Terror. And so it is written. Let this tome serve as your warning. This is a forbidden place. Return from whence you came, and your life will be spared. Horazon, master of the disciplines that summon and bind creatures to this plane, promises death to those who pass beyond the 5 pillars. You have been admonished. Then, by binding the spirit to the crafted rock, it is given life. This sounds like a spell of some kind. The Creature of Flame, by Horazon. Should be interesting reading. Morta Vespa Gaia Inumino Evigin Jatan Lua Gretan. The lieutenant of Belial is known as Grimspike. Beware this demon, for his strength appears immeasurable. Reading this scroll, and therefore speaking his name, near an arcane circle of binding will surely summon him there. Near a circle of binding, eh? This looks like some sort of journal. It seems that I may have brought something into this plane that even I cannot control. The creature that fell into my astral trap is a very deadly demon. I have been able to bind it at the bottom of a pit, but it kills everything that I have sent there in attempts to defeat it. While it cannot escape, it does block the tunnels that lead to my protected haven. I am tempted to use the switch to open the tunnels to see if it will just leave. But I fear it is smarter than most of the lesser demons I have trapped before. If I could just lure it somewhere else, your death will be avenged. Rest in peace, my friend. And so, locked beyond the gateway of blood and past the hall of fire, valor awaits for the hero of light to awaken. I can see what you see not. Vision milky, then eyes rot. When you turn, they will be gone, whispering their hidden song. Then you see what cannot be. Shadows move where light should be. Out of darkness, out of mind. Cast down into the halls of the blind. The armories of hell are home to the warlord of blood. In his wake lay the mutilated bodies of thousands. Angels and men alike have been cut down to fulfill his endless sacrifices to the Dark Ones, who scream for one thing: blood. I cannot use this yet. I cannot carry any more. I have no room. Where would I put this? No way. Not a chance. I would never use this. I would have to equip that. I cannot move this. I cannot move this yet. I cannot open this. I cannot open this yet. I cannot lift this. I cannot lift this yet. I cannot cast that here. I cannot cast that yet. That did not do anything. I can already do that. I do not need that. I do not need to do that. I do not want that. I do not have a spell ready. Not enough mana. That would kill me. I cannot do that. No. Yes. That will not work. That will not work here. That will not work yet. I cannot get there from here. It is too heavy. It is too big. Just what I was looking for. I have a bad feeling about this. Got milk? I am not thirsty. I am no milkmaid. I could blow up the whole village. Yes, that is a cow, all right. Too heavy. In spiritu sanctum predictum otium efficio obitus ut inimicus. The enchantment is gone. All too easy. Back to the grave. Time to die. I am not impressed. I am sorry. Did I break your concentration? Vengeance is mine. Die. Yes. Whew. Oh, thank the light. What was that? The spirits of the dead are now avenged. The town is safe from these foul spawn. Rest well, Leoric. I'll find your son. Your madness ends here. Betrayer, you'll lure no more men to their deaths. Return to heaven, warrior of light. I can see why they fear this weapon. This must be what Griswold wanted. I need to get this to Lacdanan. I need to get this to Griswold. I've never been here before. May the spirit of Arcane protect me. This is a place of great power. This blade must be destroyed. Your reign of pain has ended. Now that is a big mushroom. The smell of death surrounds me. The sanctity of this place has been fouled. It is hot down here. I must be getting close. Maybe it is locked from the inside. Looks like it is rusted shut.